So like, share, subscribe.
Yeah.
So like,
Video.
so like, share, subscribe.
Subscribe.
Yeah. For the phone say like, share, subscribe, people.
Those.
Come on, man.
Because it, man.
Say like.
Like.
Say share.
Share.
And
Subscribe.
Yeah. Be that people. Like, share, subscribe. Okay, can nobody not come in again, man? Alright guys, we're there back. We're on this video, see me? We're there up on the river today. See there? Yeah man. I'm gonna roast some egg. So what did I show you? How you cook meat in a bamboo. I'm gonna show you our next survival video again. You see me? But today we're taking it on the river. You see me? But don't need to show you the water level drop. Bad. I don't think guys, they deep. Anyways, we're back, guys. I want to give you a like. I want to like the video, man, and share the video. Get other people to know about me and know about the channel. So I want to share the video, man. Yeah, man. I want to subscribe to the channel, man. Join the movement and let's grow as a family. Share it out. Yeah, man. Follow the IG, Jeff876 and Yardstyle Adventures. The two links for the page them down below, so you can just scroll along, click it and give me a follow. You see me? Look at nobody coming a long time. Nobody coming again, KK. Yeah man guys, so I spin the camera now and show you what I'm going. You see me? So guys, see the river here. Oh, there a long time on the trail. We know the river here. You see me? So my roast egg so me here so. So I'm gonna get on stick, light the fire and get it to and burn on to coal. Yeah man. And then I can take a swim. Yeah. But I don't have any GoPro in guys, so when I can get no underwater shots. I don't know. I can come and I can drink. Right now I have some sour orange juice. Now this, you can squeeze and half sweeten. My entire clipping, I clip now and show you what is sour orange because no people don't know sour orange. So my entire clipping now and show you how I go on. You see me? So I need to get some stick. But don't even look. And I'm wet, so maybe thick and wet. Yeah, so this one sticker now guys. Alright guys, so set up right there so. You don't know. You can find something you can light almost anywhere. You see me? No, so that's good. So look shallow guys, one time when I was smaller, right in here so, you couldn't go there so. None tall, cover you. I don't go there now. But I just say go still. And river, they much broader. So I don't know, take up some chip, you know guys. I don't know. So I'm showing the survival guys. I don't know. They may feel like the fire too, but they are wet. I'm showing the survival guys. Although no survival, we know them things. Alright guys, so I'm going to do it. Snap in because my train will fall. rain will fall, you know. So I'm showing you how you roast egg, you see me? I'm teaching you survival, guys. At first, I do this too, you know. Yeah, man. First, I'm gonna do something like this. But I didn't think I'm gonna like do it, you see me? I like trying new things. You can't stick to the normal thing all the while. We try a new thing and experiment. One thing I forgot to buy though, black pepper. So guys, I'm gonna show you. Even now, I'm gonna show you a little fast, you know. Yeah, man. So yeah guys, so see for you I go and build up, but it's still kind of wet still. But here we do, man. I see the fire just come like it's that kettle now. So I'm gonna put out this pan if you catch. So, you see me, because doing it kind of dirty, you see me? Because when a person come down here and cook and eat and them thing there, they don't dispose of them waste properly. So just take something them at on the fire to burn in the same time, you see me? Yeah, man. And guys, I'm gonna say, I want to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned because enough more videos are forward, enough more adventurous videos are forward, you see me? Yeah, man. We soon want these on camping trip. So, yeah, so we camp out on them section here. You see me? Yeah, man. If I'm over here, so over there, so you see me? Yeah. We soon the camping, man. So, we definitely can stay tuned for that. So, we want to camping, enough epic hunting, bird, hunting, crab, crayfish, fish, all that. So, on the subscribe and stay tuned because for that forward. Enough for that forward. Yeah, man. And if you know somebody where love them can be there, you can send them over here, so because then they are forward to, man. Tell them about channel, man. So let's subscribe, share the video, and let's go together. So yeah, guys, my make the stick them burn to coal because when I want a big fire and egg them because I don't put egg in this now. All that I do, I just bust and waste. So you want it burn out to ash and coal before I start. You see me? Yeah, man. So take a trip in the water first, you know, man, and take a swim and then come back to this.
Because today in the water. You see me? Yeah.
Yeah, guys, I'm gonna take a jump. I'll take a jump like that, but we're shallow still.
Yeah, it's shallow.
I'm gonna jump and see me. Guys, afraid.
Jump now. Jump now, Javan. See? No shallow.
Yeah, only wrong here. Guys, that nice, but I'm a jump, not going to the ground, bloom and the ground because water can shallow still, but matter again. Alright guys, I'm showing you what pretty. When I can see the bottom, I can't show you, I can't go on water the camera because I phone this and I don't have a GoPro. You see me? But if I have a GoPro, I can show you some underwater shots. See? Water crystal clear, you can see bottom. Yeah man. So, I go over there so and take a chuck off. Guys, it's a pretty and nice. Water is nice. Come in, open the fire. So guys, I'm on the fire now. Guys, them life here nice. But live in the country, Jamaica, I tell you man, you have all this for yourself. Really enjoy nature life, I swear. I'm throwing egg them now guys. Even in a burnout, right, to ashes yet, but look like rain on a fall, you see me? Rain on a fall. So, I'm try things same way. So, you want to put the egg in the middle, but you don't put the fire too close. You want to split out it, so basically eat alone put the egg, you see me? So you want only eat, get your egg. You don't want direct fire eat, get your egg guys. Yeah. So it's gonna take a few minutes, I don't know. I don't know anything going on. Yeah man, that must alright. So my link in my country I make done, I'm going to tell myself. Rivers, the water is so good, so good. Yeah man. I can't wait to camp out. Down here, see me? Don't know. I can put 10 summit over here so I want them to be poor. Enough water here. Yeah man, so just stay tuned man. Work on the camping tent and them things there, see me? So by next month, when I see enough videos to come with camping, so more and try to do one camping trip per month. So every month I can have a camping video. Yeah man. Would the cooking I do, I said the year I can be a year away. When I see crazy contents, different type of contents are forward, you see me? Enough something forward man. I'm say the channel I go up on a weird different level this year. So much videos are forward man, so just stay tuned man. Yeah man, so go and enjoy the river. So like, share, subscribe.
Yeah.
So like,
Video.
say like, share, subscribe.
Subscribe.
Yeah. The phone say like, share, subscribe people.
Those.
Come on man.
Because it the man.
Say like.
Like,
Say share.
share,
And
subscribe.
Yeah. Be that people. Like, share, subscribe. Alright guys, one egg bus become put the fire close up. See? Two of them bursts. This one tasty? It is.
Mm.
So guys, my link back when them don't cook. Eat man, see bring a shell long and cook egg guys. You don't know no yes no. They say nice. Yeah man. So we still have the other 2 year guys. Yeah man. Me no like egg so guys. Me like egg when it well done. So me not eat no half egg or anything but yeah man. But so guys, I'll play at this. Don't want to bust a while ago guys. My turn it. My turn man the bus. Look at me eye to right. Right oh we got
Ah. Thank you, me.
Is the one there?
Yeah.
One thing do guys. Be hands down.
Look what this not Javon.
Today. Be by hands.
Look what that. No, that.
You can take out it?
You mad? Javon, take out it now.
Some take out it, you can't take out it.
No, take you out now.
We can't touch it. Why is that guys? You sit down like where yeah, I feel it man. See why you can't make the female in that cool. You know easy, alright guys, film one here.
My 1 year.
Yeah man. Alright guys, so my sit down now. Well done.
Who that no boss?
You crack up man.
But you still have me look one.
At your fart.
Which one that?
You know well done no guys. See?
The bone up.
You know well done.
But it is in there. You see a massive out.
See that guys? Keep that piece here, you know? Coming up. You want it? Alright guys, so right here simple I don't know. I'm a juice done. You know? Leaving the river time now, guys. What are my foot? Too many barefoot. You know, them here guys, I think they make a shame on lady when you touch it, then close up. See them close up? Yeah man. So our next 3 year, you touch it, so you close. Yeah man.
And you put your foot on them, them close up.
Yeah. And then joke it in the boy. So guys, the video was a success, you see me? Really enjoy myself at the river and really enjoy roasting the egg, you see me? Yeah man, really enjoy it. But I learn, so you have make it slow cook. I basically rush it. You see me? And make it get enough direct eat, you see me? So it bursts, as I said before, the process here is a very long process because you don't want it. You don't want it burst and don't cook, so you want to slow cook. It can turn it. Yes, it will crack, but you don't want it bow. Everything waste, you see me? So make it take time to cook. Yeah man. So next time I see Macca River, I don't know see how I want to make mad video forward. But I can cook. Yeah man. So share the video guys, share it out. get people know about the channel and know about me and them thing there and like the video. Yeah man. For the IG, get 76 and Yards Adventures. Just scroll down, you have 2 links down bio. Just click it and give me a follow up on them. Because as I always say, a snippet I always post on IG before a video post on YouTube. So open my IG before I actually post on YouTube. Yeah man, so get myself dry and go home and make sure that the edit and put on because I don't have issues with Wi-Fi. So I don't even know when after the video, but yeah, film video same way, edit and put on non-stop work same way, see me? Yeah, so look more.